Huawei crushed the mid-range market 2 years ago with the Huawei Nova 2i, and last year they unveiled the Huawei Nova 3i that did really well too. They also unveiled the Huawei Nova 4, and now we have the latest iteration of the Huawei Nova series, that is the Huawei Nova 5T. Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com and welcome to an exclusive unboxing of the Nova 5T here in Sri Lanka in not just one color but all three colors that this phone is going to be available in. So in this video we'll quickly go ahead and unbox this phone and see what comes inside the box, and then later on I'll bring you guys a series of videos based on what you guys want to see. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see other than the full review of the Nova 5T so that I can make that happen. So without further ado, I have 3 Nova 5Ts over here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. If you're excited for this, smash that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. Like I mentioned, I have all three colors of the Huawei Nova 5T that will be coming to Sri Lanka officially. Before the unboxing, let me quickly show you what we have over here. The first color of the Nova 5T that I have over here is called Crush Blue. Secondly, we have the mainstream black color. And finally, we have the flagship color this time around, which is called Midsummer Purple. Before getting started with the unboxing of the Nova 5T, let me quickly show you guys around the box really fast. At the front of the box it says Huawei Nova 5T. At the bottom it shows the IMEI number and all of that other information along with the specifications. On either side it says Huawei Nova 5T, and at the top it has the Huawei logo. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly go ahead and peel off the plastic of this and get this phone out of the box. So this is the Midsummer Purple version of the Huawei Nova 5T. The same way, let me quickly go ahead and unbox the black color version as well. And finally here we have the Crush Blue version of the Nova 5T as well. Now that we have all three colors of the Nova 5T out of the packaging, now let me quickly show you guys what comes inside the box. So keeping the phone to the side for just a sec, the first thing that we find inside the box is the SIM ejector tool. Opening this pouch up, you will find the user information manual along with the warranty card, and you will also get a TPU case that is included inside the box for free. We also get the 22.5 watt Huawei supercharge capable fast charger that is included in the box. And along with that, we also get a USB-A to USB Type-C cable that you can use to charge your phone. Finally, we also get USB Type-C headphones here. Since the Nova 5T doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, this is what you will have to use to listen to music. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the content inside the box. So those are the 3 awesome colors of the Huawei Nova 5T coming right here to Sri Lanka. So I just want to bring you guys this exclusive unboxing of all 3 colors just before the Huawei Nova 5T launch event that is going to happen today. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button right now if you're new to my channel. And I'm definitely gonna go ahead and bring you guys more exclusive videos of the Nova 5T. Drop a comment down below and let me know what type of videos you guys want to see featuring the Nova 5T, and definitely I'll make that happen for you guys. For those of you who are interested in the spec sheet, so here's a quick look at all the specifications of the Nova 5T. In a future video, we'll go over all of the awesome specifications from the design to the awesome 5 AI camera setup that the Nova 5T packs, along with the fast charging, the amazing processor that is behind this, and most importantly, the price. So I'll just touch upon the price. This is going to be sold right here in Sri Lanka for 69,990 Sri Lankan rupees, and you can pick it up from Huawei starting today. Out of these 3 colors though, if you ask me, the Midsummer Purple is definitely my favorite color. It's a special edition as well, and it has a nice texture at the back. The blue is pretty nice too, but my favorite color is definitely the Midsummer Purple color. Let me know what you guys like down below in the comment section, and I will bring you guys more coverage based on what you guys want to see. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world, and if you're new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. And definitely follow me on social media, because that's where you will find behind the scenes as well as coverage from the official launch event of the Huawei Nova 5T. Well guys, with that out of the way, definitely go ahead and share this video if you found this useful, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.